In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send customer statements in Xero. This process will help you streamline your business's accounting needs and keep your customer transactions organized. So let's jump right into it. First things first. After you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. On this screen, you've got a bird's-eye view of your business's financial health, helping you make informed decisions. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the Contacts section. This is essentially your hub for managing all your customer information and interactions within Xero. Once there, direct your attention to the menu and select Customers. This takes you to a comprehensive list of all your customers entered into the system, making it easy to find whom you're looking to work with. Now, with your list in front of you, it's time to select the specific customer to whom you want to send a statement. Go ahead and click on the customer's name. Doing so brings you to the customer's page, packed with a variety of options and details about the individual or company. This area is particularly useful for getting an overview of all transactions and information related to them. Here, you'll want to look for the More Options button. It might be tucked away, but it opens up additional actions you can take, including the ability to send statements. By selecting the Send Statements option, you're on your way to crafting a statement tailor-made for your customer. Before rushing to send it, it's wise to take a moment to adjust the date range for the statement. This nifty feature allows you to hone in on specific transactions. Perhaps you're focusing on activity from just the past month or an entire quarter. Whatever your preference, set the desired date range and then click on Update to lock in those changes. At this point, the final step is deciding how you'd like the statement to reach your customer. If you lean towards traditional methods, you can choose to print a PDF. This option lets you have a physical copy on hand, which is sometimes just the ticket for record keeping or mailing. On the other hand, if digital is more your speed, go ahead and click on Email. Here, you'll need to enter the customer's email address. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate to prevent any delivery missteps. After entering the necessary information, simply click Send. The system will take it from there, ensuring the customer receives their statement promptly and without any fuss. And that's all there is to it. Creating and sending customer statements on Xero is a straightforward process that enhances communication and clarity between you and your clients. By keeping up with these statements regularly, you can maintain an accurate and professional approach to your financial dealings. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and good luck managing your customer statements on Xero.